Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will just join right into this video without wasting any second. I know your time is valuable. Please subscribe and like this video if you found this helpful. So what you're gonna have to do to clean your cache, you're gonna have to go here in After Effects. Then you click on here services, settings. Sorry, not services. Then click on general here, and then this open on the second screen. Here I'll select the media, disk, and cache, and then here we have empty this cache. Just click on that, and that's all you have to do. Now I already cleaned this, so that's why it's gray for me. I can't click again because I just cleaned it recently. And now you can also, if you are here, you can also clean your database and cache if you want, or change your cache folder, or choose a different database. Now if you found this helpful and you found this short video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and if you have more suggestions for the next After Effects tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and take care.